Ready?
All right, so we're gonna be making some coquito. We have my mother-in-law, Herminia. She's gonna be making the coquito for us, and she'll explain what she's doing as she's adding the ingredients. So whenever you're ready.
Okay, first let me get a spoon because I don't want to pop my nails. That's the first step. So we use 4 cans of evaporated milk. I use the store brand. You can use whatever one you want. And these cans are 12 fluid ounces each. And you just pour that into a big container, a pot, or punch bowl if you have a punch bowl.
So a blender is not necessary. Usually, a lot of people do it with a blender. Like my husband does it with a blender, but it's not absolutely necessary.
You just need something to whisk it with. So you can use a whisk. Just to combine all the flavors. Some people put egg in it. I do not put egg in my coquito.
Any reason why?
I just don't like the taste of raw egg.
Okay.
So I just don't put it.
Okay.
But some people will put 4 eggs, 1 egg per can of evaporated milk.
Ooh.
But that's not my style, not my taste. So I would not do it. Now I do put the coconut milk in it. It gives it a more coconut taste. And you can use whichever coconut milk you want.
Is it like sweetened or is it all the same?
No, this is just regular coconut milk, no sweeteners in it at all. Because you are going to use Coco Lopez, and that is the sweet coconut.
Oh, okay. So we have 2 coconut milk.
There's 2 types, so you put 1 of each. So if you see the consistency of this one, it's thicker. See?
Yeah.
It's much thicker.
That's what it's looking like.
This is very easy to make. It tastes better the next day, or after you let it sit for the rum to get into it. I had a little while I was at home back in Florida, and I had to go to sleep. I started getting dizzy. So, and then you put 1 can of condensed milk, which is not the same as evaporated milk.
Yeah.
Condensed milk is sweet milk.
Okay. So coquito is basically an eggnog.
It is an eggnog. It's
like
a
an
Puerto
eggnog.
Rican eggnog.
A Puerto Rican style eggnog.
And of the coconut milk, it's a 13.5 fluid ounce can. Because they come in different sizes. And of the condensed milk is 14 ounces. And you can use whichever. You can buy store brand, whichever one you feel better with. For me, store brand is the same as any other one. They all taste the same. Just have a different label on it.
So this should make maybe like a small bottle of coquito?
Probably fill up that Bacardi
Yeah,
bottle.
we'll probably get the big, yeah, this is a big serving since we have a lot of guests in our house. Well, not a lot of guests, but a lot of people.
We
got a lot of family.
4 adults that like to consume.
Yeah, so.
You take all the goodness out of there. So this is what it looks like. It's just different types of milk. That's it. Different types of milk. Now when you're done with that, I'm gonna get my spatula. I want to get out of it.
Okay. So that was coconut milk, and then the Coco Lopez is a cream of coconut. It's a little bit different.
See this? Because the cream of the coconut is a cream of coconut, and it has more sugars. And I usually try to get everything out, so I always use a spatula. To get everything. That's fine. So now, and I put like, cinnamon is according to taste. I like the taste of cinnamon in my drink, so I just put cinnamon in it. That's it. I don't have a specific amount.
Just a nice healthy amount.
A healthy amount. And then,
so on the actual Bacardi, for that amount, like to make a bottle this size, I guess you would need at least kind of like half or a little bit under half, because that's gonna mix with this.
That's like a cup and a half of Bacardi, I would say. Yeah, it's probably a cup and a half. You can measure the cups here.
So do you always have to use Bacardi, or can you use cheap rum?
You could use.
Whatever rum you want.
Some people like the dark rum.
Oh, you could do your dark rum in that?
I've even made it with whiskey.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's different,
whiskey, and I've had it sitting there for a while, and I made it with whiskey.
Yeah.
Some people
How did
liked
it taste?
Some people didn't like
No.
it.
How did it taste for you?
I liked it.
Yeah, not too bad.
For me,
Okay.
you know, like I don't.
So there
really
you go.
Drink alcohol. I didn't notice the taste, but people who drink whiskey, they do notice it. But that wasn't me. Okay.
So you could use your liquor of choice, but traditionally Coquito's done with rum.
Rum. And it could be the spice rum if you want, or it could be the white rum, or it could be the dark rum, the Captain Morgan spice rum that they sell.
Yeah. And that'll give it a little kick, right?
It gives it a little bit more of a spicy taste.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get this. Okay. See, here's a cup.
Okay.
And we're gonna measure this rum.
Yeah.
That's 1 cup. Oh, that's more. Is this a cup?
Is it? It says it on the.
It is a cup.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's one thing. There's probably like 3 cups here. But you know what? I always say you make it. I don't put a lot of alcohol because people could baptize it accordingly.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, some people like it more.
Look at that.
A lot of
We're trying to stay alive tonight.
Too much rum and then you're like.
So for this mixture, so far we got 2 cups.
We got 2 cups.
Yeah, and usually this drink, since it's like an eggnog, you sip it, right? You sip it slowly.
And some people, you know, like me, I don't know how to sip. So.
Oh my god.
It's alright.
You taste it?
Yeah, I could taste the rum, but you know, I don't drink, so.
Yeah.
People who like alcohol. My son over there in Florida, he does it, and his taste is just only rum. That's all you can taste.
Wow.
Yeah. But that's how they like it. But I think 3 cups is more than enough for this.
Oh, okay, so we'll stick with the 3 cups. Because usually,
I'm gonna let Diana taste it. I know there's a little shot glass around here somewhere. Where is it?
It's in that cabinet.
Oh, there it is, yeah. Okay.
So that's basically it?
That's basically it. It's
Do you-
very simple.
Oh, so it's just it's just a mixture. I wonder why some people use a blender. It makes it almost taste whipped, right?
Plus they put the egg in it.
Oh, okay, got
When
it.
you put egg in it, you want to make sure you blend that really well.
Yeah.
Some people cook the egg
Oh my gosh.
and then put it in there. For me, that's like scrambled eggs. That was for me.
Kare, you want to taste test the coquito? This
So
was
y'all can
quick.
tell me if it needs more or less because I just make it.
So I got my
taste.
little
Come on, Gabriel.
cup here, and let me see. That's how it looks. It's whipped, so the bubbles are there, but you can see the cinnamon. So let's do a little taste test.
You should let it settle.
Yeah, you should let it settle a little.
Yeah, it's good. It tastes like coquito.
And some people, you know.
It just, I do taste the rum a little. Cheers.
We're just giants and these are regular solo cups.
Yeah, it's pretty strong.
It is strong?
Yeah.
Does it need more?
That it, no.
Did I put any alcohol in it?
Yeah.
No.
I could put the rest
No,
of it.
that's fine.
Because we're going to need this bottle.
Oh, to put it in there.
It's gonna be strong. We're gonna.
Okay.
Oh, because once it cools down and the sugar
I
starts,
bet you our viewers are like, throw it all in.
Yeah.
Go big or go.
Go for the, that's only half a cup.
Go for the gusto.
Let's go. Yeah. Now, you know, if you were to put an egg in here, some people even put coconut pieces in it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which I don't like to feel when I'm swallowing something. I don't
Yeah.
like to feel coconut stuff in it. But, or you could put real cinnamon sticks in it.
Mm-hmm. That I've seen too. Yeah.
And then,
We used to serve it with cinnamon sticks.
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
another thing is that I always like, for me this is like, it's not really a cocktail drink, but I like to serve it in like a little goblet or something.
Like a martini
In
glass?
a martini glass.
Yeah.
It gives it a little bit more class, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But it's
All
very
right.
easy.
That was pretty simple. There you
Very
go.
simple. You can make it the day of. Put it in the fridge. Let it chill, and it keeps. I've had Coquito keep up to 6 months. In my fridge.
Wow.
But
Yeah.
every time you're gonna use it, make sure you shake it because the cinnamon usually raises to the top, and then it gets like a little bit
Yeah.
hard because it's cinnamon. You just poke it and shake it, and it just integrates again.
All right. That was pretty easy. Not hard at all.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So if anyone tries this recipe, let us know. And if you have your own recipe that how you do your coquito, let us know in the comments below, right? This is a 1.75 liter bottle, and we filled it to the top, and we actually have some left over. So if you make this amount, just be prepared to have a few bottles available. So we're gonna put it in the fridge now, and we will enjoy later. We're gonna have a few martini glasses of coquito. So we'll see you later. Say bye.
Bye.